Welcome to International Green IT Week. My name is William Ehmcke and our presentation is on the Perfect Storm. I'm a member of the Perfect Storm Consortium. Our agenda today is to introduce you to 4 villains that are having a profound effect on electricity consumption from your IT load point of view, and hopefully give you some ideas on how to neutralise those. We see these 4 villains as there's the externalities, which is the price of electricity and the demand for computing, and the internalities, which are your procedures and compliance and your absolute focus on energy management and energy security. And hopefully we'll give you some ideas on how to neutralise these villains. The first of our 4 villains is power prices. The cost of electricity is going up. We've seen the cost of electricity in Australia go up by over 40%, and with similar things have happened elsewhere in the world. Electricity prices are made up of 4 components. There's the wholesale price of electricity, the grid delivery cost of electricity, some level of government tariffs and surcharges, and of course the retail profit. What we'll see is the cost of energy going up, so therefore the wholesale price of electricity will go up, and also as our demands on the grid and our need to renew the grid, the costs of the network delivery component will also increase. In fact, network delivery has been driving much of the increase in costs today, since our energy networks have been aging ever since 1878, when Edison first founded the electric light company. So the price of electricity will definitely be going up. The impact of this on your EBIT is likely to be quite profound. Using an example here of the retail sector, which has an EBIT of 7%. If your cost of electricity, utilities is 0.7%, a doubling of that will have a 10% impact on your EBIT. And overall for the industry, a $240 billion industry will see profits reduced by 1.8 billion. Second of our villains is the ever-increasing demand for data center requirements. Data center growth is at about 56% compound, and currently data centers consume about 1.5% of the world's electricity, which puts it on par with the airline industry. Not only are we seeing demand for data centers, but we're seeing incredible demand for the next wave of computing, which is handheld devices. We've seen the desktop populations of the world plateau at about 1.6 billion devices, which is approximately 1 in 3. The world's population has a computer, but the density and the distribution of handheld computing will be even higher. Devices are now joining the web at the rate of about 1,000 a minute globally. The speed of take-up of handheld computing is 8 times faster than desktop computing. The demands that this will put on back-end processing power will see our server populations rise by 10 times to 2020, and our storage requirements increase by 50 times, coupled with the ever-increasing demand for apps and app data storage requirements. So the first 2 of our villains in our journey so far is energy prices going up, demand for electricity going up. If you'd like to join us for part 2 of this presentation, this will be on Friday the 7th of June at 0400 GMT. Thank you.